The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeencollege.edu.in.
Greta Solutions Training Academy kabai train Ryngkat bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya kawan ra shapi ye ki free skills training lani ki training ki bamdan kamjing siu lani yo e ka course ka bangin ai ka long bamboo furniture maker ki jingmin toy ki banyo na kani ka training ki long government certificate startup tools but placement ki seats ki long ki baduna join nokmenta ya ka Greta Solutions Training Academy bantip company follow yangi ha Instagram Facebook but YouTube channel lani phone ha uni number no real sound not kandai san nyo 7640957777 join nokmenta.
Kadai khubor ka bagi pajba jong kari baro kawai kentup de ya ki pajba jong ajla Meghalaya banlong dik ban kwa tip no ya result jong ke MP election ka banlong Lashai ka Sngi ka taha ka sautare ko jileu 8000 arab saw khamtam ki nonggersan jong ki kertong ye khori election ke bala penlut ye ka bor bat kapor na ka benta ban penjob ya la jong kertong ki bor penya district hakeleng jong ajla kentup ya ka is ka hills bat ka Bhoi ki la Pynkhreh bha ban perking ya ka Jingniew ki pajba banwan skap ya ka result election MP ha ka ba ki district ki la Panjari section 144 CRPC ban laj na ka Jingmi ki huri hura na ka Jingi lum pajba henne ka skina ngliang ki bor penya district ka Bhoi ki la lumlang ya ki nongilam jong seng san perthai pa phero pher ki bran Bhoi district na ka banta ka jingtip ban pha jingtip inshallah ki jong ki pajba nonggersan jong ki khnang ban laj na ka Jingmi ki huri hura lane ki kenrum kenram haba permanayak result Deputy Commissioner ke District Bhoi warpit upadaya haba karan hakilat pathai khubor ulong manangalang jong bor district kalapan biang nadong shadong ya ka jing Pynkhreh ya ka Jingniew vote Lashai ka Sngi Ryngkat ka jing pentrikam ya ka Kyndon an 144 CRPC ha ka Jingniew vote.
See this meeting was called in the presence of all the counting supervisors, all the AROs and the political parties, and the purpose of this meeting was to brief the political parties about various rules of the counting, the protocols of counting, and to clear their doubts, whatever if they are having. So the meeting has been concluded very successfully. Whatever they had asked, certain doubts, it has been cleared. The mandates of ECI, the requirements of various forms that have to be signed, the procedure of counting has been explained, and again the one appeal has been made to maintain the law and order for after the results tomorrow, and they have been briefed about section 144 which is there, and regarding this I think the meeting has been concluded on this.